Otiose is an adjective that describes something as serving no practical purpose, being useless or functionally idle. It can also mean lazy or lacking effort. When referring to a person, the word carries a tone of inefficiency or redundancy, often with a subtle hint of disdain or critique. Origins of otiose. The word otiose comes from the Latin otiosus, meaning at leisure or idle, which is derived from otium, meaning leisure or free time. It entered the English language in the 18th century, maintaining its connection to idleness and lack of productivity. How to use otiose. Otiose is typically used in formal or literary contexts to describe something unnecessary, redundant, or ineffectual. It can also apply to a person or behavior that is unproductive or slothful. Example sentences. The professor dismissed the argument as otiose, contributing nothing new to the discussion. His otiose remarks only served to prolong the meeting unnecessarily. The engine's otiose design wasted energy and added unnecessary complexity to the machine. Similar words: superfluous, unnecessary or excessive; redundant, no longer needed or useful; ineffectual, not producing the desired result. Nuances of otiose. Otiose often implies a sense of judgment, whether describing a pointless action, a design flaw, or an unmotivated person. Its tone is more formal than synonyms like useless or idle, making it especially effective in academic or critical writing. In essence, otiose captures the idea of futility, whether in objects, ideas, or behavior, encouraging a focus on purposefulness and efficiency. It's a word that critiques wastefulness while highlighting the value of meaningful effort and utility.